Plates ready? This is Food School, Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast. Want to feel amazing, love the way you look in the mirror, and perform your absolute best in the gym, at work, and in life? You're definitely in the right place. Food. It's you. It builds every single cell of you. And if there is one thing every human being must master, it's food. Because at the very least, eating, you do it every day, several times a day, every single day. You might as well get good at it. I'm your host, Shurina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal nutritionist and plate watcher, your diet guide and explorer, your fat loss coach and food inspector. And just someone with a lot of passion and obsession and curiosity for healthy food, healthy diets, nutrition, optimized human performance, everything and absolutely anything you put in your grocery shopping cart, your fridge, on your plate, and in your mouth. It's my business. Food School, on a mission to help you eat better daily.
It's the last time I talk about food. It's the last time I talk about food.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Food School podcast. Today is Tuesday, and it means it's new recipe. Today's recipe are gonna be mini low carb or keto pizzas that have no gluten, no dairy. Well, actually, no, it has cheese, so it does have dairy. Yeah, but cheese, especially good quality cheeses, are actually good for most people because real cheese is made by bacteria that ferments milk sugars and also changes the proteins into not really well digestible by humans into something that we humans can digest, absorb, and have no problems. But again, that only goes for good quality cheeses, not cheese-like products. I didn't really mean to talk about cheese, but today is about recipe, about healthy eating, and about substituting our familiar recipes with something not exact version of what we used to or what we love, but similar to it. And guys, somebody asked me today, why would I want to cook these recipes, that make me want to eat more if I'm trying to stick with my healthy eating meal plan and I'm actually trying to eat less of anything, especially, when you're trying to lose fat and lose weight. And the answer is simple, guys. You know why I cook those recipes? Remember last Tuesday we cooked this sweet, kind of like cookie beze or kind of like marzipan sweet thing with erythritol sweetener. It saved me a lot of times actually over the last week when I was feeling hungry and not really satisfied with the results that I was getting from my work and a lot of things. It felt kind of stressful and I just felt like I needed something more. And those weird cookie-like sweets actually saved my ass. And it was the difference between, or I ate that thing, that small thing that has almost no calories and no sugars and okay for you on top of my usual meal plan. It saved me. It was the difference between that and full-blown binge that could have happened and have happened in the past before. So that's why you want to cook those recipes, have them up your sleeve, ready to cook and make really fast. That's why, I'm trying to make these recipes really easy so you don't have to order something for them or spend the whole day in the kitchen or master chef great recipe. This is your thing that's gonna save you from those binges or eating pizza that's gonna make you feel like crap or make you sleepy and make you forget all about your healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, six-pack resolutions or fat loss, weight loss resolutions. That's why you do those things, because you actually acknowledge that you are in fact human and you probably will not be able to stick ideally and 100% to your healthy eating and you will need some of those more fun foods that will carry you over those difficult times when you're not going to be feeling like eating your perfect meal plan that you designed for yourself. And no doubt that perfect meal probably would work perfectly, but most of us, even I, don't stick to my meal plan 100%. So stop kidding yourself, stop, fooling yourself, and make some of those recipes. I usually love to give people who I work with, in addition to their meal plan, I love to give them that assignment. So once a week, whenever you have the most time, usually it's weekend, you cook a couple, maybe even one fun recipe, then you can eat through the following week, or you can enjoy at that weekend when you usually would feel like going out or eating something more fun. So I call it fun food assignment, and it's non-negotiable. That's going to also make sure that you actually stick to a meal for the rest of the week. That will give you the willpower, more resistance to temptations, and will add more fun to your routine when you need it. And just guys, that's why you need these recipes, because you are human. So don't try to deny yourself everything and be 100% and be all or nothing and trying to be perfect. Nobody is perfect, and you're never going to be perfect while you are alive. So I hope that is not news for you. So, and besides, if you can have a little bit more fun, why wouldn't you? Probably you failed a lot of times before this sticking with your plan, with your fat loss, weight loss, healthy living plan, because you were trying to be 100% or not be anything at all. So maybe this time try something different. Try to actually add some fun and some fun foods on purpose that are not gonna blow your plan completely, but gonna help you to actually stick with it more. So today is mini cauliflower pizzas. You probably know that there are companies who do their cauliflower crust pizzas, or maybe you saw in Whole Foods or some other fancy grocery store some cauliflower crusts or cauliflower pizzas frozen and ready to make at home. But guys, it's not that actually difficult to make it yourself. All you need is cauliflower, some cheese, and some eggs, and whatever you want to put on your pizza, and you can make it. And it's really easy, and you can also have fun making it yourself with your kids, with your friends, and you can then enjoy it whenever you feel like something pizza-like or something extra, or for weekend watching some Super Bowl or some game or whatever that is. So how to make that? I'm going to be making this mini pizza that I wanted to try for so long today. And for this pizza, you will need 1 small head of cauliflower, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, it's about 70 grams, 2 eggs, half of tablespoon of dried basil, half of tablespoon of dried oregano. I actually have this Provence herbs mix there, so I'm just going to use that instead of these herbs separately. And you can do the two, you can add Asian herbs if you want your pizza to be more Asian. It's your pizza, you can make anything. The most important ingredients are cheese and cauliflower and eggs. So, you can use this recipe. So half of tablespoon of basil, half a tablespoon of dried oregano, dried basil too, 1/3 of a cup of pizza sauce. And I'm going to just use whatever sauce I'll find at the store. I'm still going to shop for that today. So also feel free to make your own sauce. Blend some tomatoes with some olive oil and maybe some herbs, spices, whatever it is you like. If you have your favorite recipe of pizza sauce, or you have some in your fridge that you want to use, then use that. So 1/3 of a cup of pizza sauce. And then, of course, toppings that you want to put on top. I'm going to put some chopped tuna on top of my pizza, and some more cheddar on top, and also some button mushrooms. That's what I have in my fridge, and that's what I'm feeling like using for my pizzas. So preheat your oven to 220 degrees centigrade or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So 220 Celsius, 425 Fahrenheit. Then you chop your cauliflower, head into florets, in the food processor, or just I don't know, grate it really, really small, kind of like cauliflower rice consistency. So 1 head of cauliflower, then place that cauliflower in a microwave for 7 minutes and allow it to cool. That's going to make it drier and just perfect for our pizza crust. Then to that cauliflower that was in the microwave for 7 minutes and was cooled, add some cheese, 70 grams of that cheese, add your 2 eggs, add herbs, and mix it until well combined. And then mold it however you want, in whatever size pizzas you want. I'm gonna make mini pizzas that you can enjoy the whole thing, or maybe a couple. So mini pizzas, again, make as many or as big as you want. So make your pizzas and put it in the oven to bake for 15 minutes until golden brown. And then put your toppings on top of each pizza with some pizza sauce, and, grate some cheese on top of that too. And then bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes until cheese is completely baked and your ingredients are done to the level that you want them to be done. So your crust needs to be already kind of crusty and dry, and toppings on top, just cook them to the level that you want them to be cooked. So it's really simple, and the whole baking is basically 25 minutes tops, and preparing the ingredients with food processor is also easy. And then you microwave it for 7 minutes and allow it to cool. That's probably going to take the most time and a little bit of waiting, or you can do some work while it's cooling. And that's it, guys. And you can make these pizzas. You can make a lot of them, actually. You can freeze them and take them out of your freezer and eat them cold if you need to eat something really fast, or eat them hot whenever you feel like you need something extra. And again, don't try to be perfect, guys. Nobody's going to be ever be perfect, and you aren't perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm doing, these small, smart things when I cook, maybe some healthy cookies, or maybe some healthy pizzas or healthy ice creams. And whenever I feel like I need something extra, I eat that extra. And the thing about those things is, compared to regular pizza or Oreo cookies or that whatever ice cream that is, I don't feel like binging on those things because, well, let's be honest, they're not designed to completely blow your mind and your taste receptors and make you eat nonstop. The foods that you make yourself, they're not going to be that. They're not going to be as good, to be honest, as what you find at the store, but that's a good thing. That means that you're not going to be eating a whole bunch of it, and it's not going to hack your mind and make you overeat a bunch of that. So make them and eat a little bit, and it's going to be much easier to stop yourself from eating them than it would from eating, that pizza from your favorite pizza shop or that cookie from your favorite bakery, because those are designed to really hit you hard and make you eat nonstop. So make your cauliflower pizzas. Find me on Instagram, tag me into your post, or maybe try that marzipan beze cookie recipe that completely kills your cravings for sweetness that we tried last week. And you can find the video that actually was really popular on my Instagram. It was one of the most popular videos. I don't know whether because I was eating it with some coconut milk on video, I don't know, but it was fun making those cookies and eating them. And yeah, they were really good with that rich coconut milk. So make your mini pizzas. Don't try to be perfect. And whenever you feel like eating something extra, have those smart treats that you make yourself and share it with others, and you'll reach your goals, your health goals, your fitness goals, your body recomposition goals much faster if you just don't try to be perfect and get prepared for those moments when you need something extra, some more joy and fun and deliciousness in your days. So cook today cauliflower pizza. That's your assignment for today or the next day that you can make this happen. It's really easy. You need almost no ingredients. And also a great way to maybe put on some leftovers on top of your pizza and make it in a new dish. So make it. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate all of you. Wish you healthy, happy pizza making and eating. And till next time, as usual, eat better daily.